Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Bongness with Payal. Yes, I am Payal and I'm back after a very long time. কেমন আছো সকলে? Of course ভালো আছো, ভালো থাকতে হবে. Alright, so আজকে like I have planned that I will be showing you my morning routine on Monday specifically and what I do. And yeah, this is the place where I stay. Good morning everyone. I'm just up in the morning. It's early 6 a.m. in the morning and today is Monday, guys. So yeah, it's a beautiful day outside and I'll be soon ready. Hi guys, hello everybody, my name is Payal and you're in my channel Bongness with Payal. Good morning, and this is almost 6 o'clock in the morning. You can only hear birds chirping. So yeah, I'll take you today to my morning routine. So morning what I do is like I wake up in the morning and then generally I'm somebody who is called a late riser. Of course I don't wake up in the morning usually except on Mondays because mondire giye puja dewa, that's what I just love doing it and that's the best thing. So Monday te ami bhor belay uthe jai and the first thing is making some warm water for me. Lukewarm water banai, main ek kadha leti hu. This is what I'm having in the morning. It is basically a kadha mixed with all sorts of herb and everything and a little bit of turmeric, lemon, hot water. This is basically, and then yoga. Morning workout done. That's just yoga that I have done for now, and now I'll go and take a shower and then I go out in the veranda and there are a lot of crows and pigeons that comes up there and then I feed them a little bit. That's again the beautiful thing that I love to do in the morning. And then of course like maine naha liya already, so now I'll be getting ready and we will be going to of course I stay with my flatmates, so we all will be going for puja. Okay, so quickly I will show you what I do after what is the morning routine that I follow. Guys, it's crazy heat out here. बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब बहुत गर्मी है, बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है. So thankful, we are really thankful to God कि finally monsoon has arrived. काले मेघा पानी तो बरसाओ, बिजली की तलवार नहीं बूंदों के बाण चलाओ. मेघा छाए बरखा आए, गिर आए, घिर के आए हो जाए मन मचल. Alright, so बस दिल से निकला गाना आ गया. Monsoon started, guys. Amazing, because every time it's like Kolkata is really hot place. And when you have barish, it's the best thing that God has given amidst this COVID-19. Of course, you can hear the sounds. That is what happens in the morning. So just bear with me, please. Okay, so like I've just taken bath. So what I'm going to use is I'm going to use a little serum. This is a Streaks hair serum that I'm going to use. This is a disciplinary action against my frizzy hair. So hair done. Now what I'm going to do is I apply a little bit of aloe vera gel in the morning, just a little bit of it. It hydrates the skin entire day. Though I know we are staying at home for work from home purpose, but still just pat it on your face so that your skin absorbs the freshness of the aloe vera. That's it, done. Then what I do is sunscreen, important, because now I'll be going out, but even if it is early in the morning, not required, but you know, you stay at home, you go out, use sunscreen. আমি একদম অল্প একটু নেবো আমি যখন বেরোচ্ছি না বাইরে, এমনিতেই জিনিস পাওয়া যাচ্ছে না, জিনিস পেলে জিনিসের অনেক দাম, তো I'll try to save. So yeah, I can see these dark circles because I don't usually get sleep enough at night. Sleeping issue. And then just a BB cream, just because I'm now in front of all of you guys, so that koi dar na jaye. Thoda sa BB cream. I don't have any intention to scare anybody, so I'll use a little bit of BB cream around my dark areas. I'll be staying at home only. It's just that I'm going out a little bit. Yeah, so of course I'm not looking as fresh as Daisy, but yeah, this is what I look like in the morning. Absolutely no makeup, whatever I put in morning I have shown you guys. So this is what I have done. Now I will quickly go and change, and then we'll go out to offer our prayers to Lord Shiva. So I'll catch you guys on the way. Let's go. Yeah, so yeah, taking the morning stroll of course. So दो काम हो जाता है, एक तो देखो अंकल जी भी मास्क पहने हुए हैं, दो काम हो जाता है, एक तो पूजा के लिए जाना हो जाता है, ऊपर से आलसी लोगों को थोड़ा मॉर्निंग वॉक भी मिल जाता है. So this is the Monday ritual. This is what we do, is going and praying to Lord Shiva. Weather is wonderful. So we are already back from the puja. Now that I'm back, so time for breakfast, and this is what I have for breakfast, if you can see. So I have cucumber, banana, and I have musambi, and also pomegranates, as you can see. So this is what I have in the morning breakfast, and I squeeze a little bit of lemon in it and a little bit of salt. That's it. Fruits, very important guys, so have fruits, because this is what is going to increase your immunity, and full of antioxidants and vitamins, which is very important. It will help you to fight with any germs or whatever is happening right now. So please have fruits, very important, specifically fruits that have vitamin C, rich in vitamin C, like lemons, citrus fruits like musambi. It's very important. So that's what I have. So while I'll be eating, let's talk some more. I know a lot of people will be confused that why does this girl speak so many languages? Because sometimes I feel like, see, I have different kind of the family of very less 165 subscribers that I have. This small family, and each one of you are very special to me. So sometimes when I speak in English, I feel like, okay, there are some people who will not understand English, the best region language. Now when I speak Bengali, I feel, okay, there are certain kinds of friends also who will not understand Bengali, so let me speak in Hindi as well. So erom kore kore tinte language hoye jay, I can't help it, I'm sorry. So that is what happens. And yeah, this is how, and the entire day goes on after this. And just guys, I would tell you, pray to Allah, pray to God, pray to Jesus, Baba Ji nu pray karo. Let's just pray that this entire situation that we are into, that goes away as soon as possible, because nobody's liking this caged in home, and it's frustrating sometimes. Like, I'm staying away from my family, it's frustrating for me, and I always feel like going out Sundays and Saturdays specifically, after, even if work from home, work pressure is not less. So Saturday, Sunday, you always feel like going out, which we are unable to do. So I'm really missing it, and staying away from family is double the miss. So we all are praying to God that, you know, this just goes away. But yeah, I know everybody at home, you guys are tense, you guys are worried, and I think we should find out ways to make ourselves happy. And like, I'm connecting with all of you, so if I can make you happy for even 5 minutes or 10 minutes, then keep watching my videos, guys. Keep watching my videos. I really need your comments, because I'm coming after a very long time, I know, because I shifted here and there were a lot of things. So I really need your support, your love, and I love you all a lot. I love the comments that you give me. I think whatever the problem is, kitna bhi problem ho, every time I see your comments, and I feel like, okay, I have to do it. I have to do it for you all. So that's what I feel, ki amake kortei hobe video for all of you waiting there to see when I'm going to come in the screen. So that's important. So tomra shobai khub bhalo theko, khub positive theko, and God bless all of you. Be happy, be safe, and that's it. Keep subscribing to my channel, guys. Bongness with Payal. Love you all. Bye bye.